Scotty Potenza. Scotty Potenza in front of his installation, Refrigeration Unit 5. This was entered into the Venice Biennale in 2007, which was a shame because there was no Venice Biennale that year. Otherwise it would have got in. So Potenza now uses this as a rudimentary shelter. Very useful. He had a studio where he would work if there were any light at all. But since there isn't, he sits in the dark, just thinking. Which, of course, in the age of conceptual art is work and is art. Magnificent. Two holidaymakers found dead in refrigeration unit on hillside. Headline in the New York Gazette, Tuesday. Third holidaymaker rambling insane on the hills, full of remorse for what he's done.
Oh.
Is that the dog?
I really don't think this is HillaryDonald.com material.
Excuse me, I'd like to complain about this dog you sold me. Yes, sir, what's wrong with it? Well, it's dead. Oh, it's not dead, it's just resting, sir. Look, it's decayed, can't you see? It's badly decayed. Oh, no, it's just... It'll be up and active in a moment. Just throw it a ball, it'll run after it. No, I want my money back. You've sold me a dead dog that really smells bad. I'm sorry, there's no refund, sir. This is just a happily resting dog. It's a very tragic sketch.